So, as you guys can tell, today's video will be about spooky season on, officially.
Yes,
And
I love that. We love that.
I'm a vampire.
Oh, as you can tell, I am a
skull lady.
Skeleton.
I just love this look.
Look,
I'm
I
loving
think you did a really good job.
So, if you guys are interested and want to watch how we got here from the beginning.
From the beginning, do you know that?
You girl! So stay tuned and watch the whole process.
Yes, please.
Yes. And give us thumbs up again.
Don't be afraid of our bears' faces, okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
like from the base. Let's go.
Alright.
First, already
Are you gonna
put
put
the
your
moisture-
lenses?
My lenses, it's like literally, I have tried only once, you guys, lens in my life ever.
Good luck.
Korea is like all about lenses,
Yeah,
right?
I've seen lenses, like a lot of people wearing these like circle lenses, like what they're
Everything,
literally bigger
like,
than their white.
like K-pop celebrities,
Yeah,
everything,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
But me, no, because I don't have eye problem too. So, and for the vampire look, I bought the red one.
Whoa, 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 we did it! Wow! Whoa, this is crazy. Oh my god.
I feel like I cannot see, it's like blur.
Yeah, I mean, since
Do
you
you?
got...
Do you feel
No.
the same?
They're like perfectly like fine, but they look awesome on you, like honestly.
Do they?
Yeah.
And then with the makeup on, let's see.
Yeah, so...
Let's start, let's.
So...
Oh my god, I look like a ghost, not a vampire.
I like it.
Oh.
Casper.
I mean, vampires are basically.
I love vampires, dude.
I love. Do you guys know Vampire Diaries? This is like the.
Vampire Diary. Yeah.
I love.
Shades that I got so far.
It has always been like my complex going out without makeup.
Yeah.
I mean, it is for most people.
But the thing is, I'm not going out. Okay, I've been like out there without makeup, but now I literally look
In
like
front of camera, in
creep.
front of world, right? Okay, I will go for like pinkish coral one at the base.
So I got this palette from Wake Make, and for some reason I don't know why I kept calling it Wake Make.
Because it's literally written like that.
Yeah.
Why
Like
did you
it's
choose
going.
skull?
I like how it looks like. I've always been into like
Skulls?
death.
Oh.
Okay, don't
She's
get scared.
scared.
Yeah, like skulls are beautiful.
I wanted to choose Harley Quinn, you guys.
Oh,
I really wanted.
that's
I
a
told you.
classic, kinda. Yeah.
I think that would suit me really good. But then at the last minute about the hair thing,
Yeah.
I was like, okay, no. So I went for the vampire since I love vampires too.
Yeah, so I think it's
And
fine.
I'm just creating like a crease, but then with a big, say,
Oh, it's so
red.
pretty.
And then so I'm gonna be creating like at the edge crease, like darker one. You were gonna draw something, right?
Yeah, I will.
I think that's the
drawing
hard part. But for me, it's like just. No, it doesn't. It doesn't look really red now.
Oh, you have a lot of makeup on your. It's like literally.
Everything makes.
Yeah. Like I said, eyeliner, not my favorite part. So I'm gonna try to use a kohl liner first. I can feel it's gonna suck.
My eyes are so messy right now.
No, I think
A lot of different colors and so
Well,
messy.
that's what Halloween is all about.
I know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god, where are we?
I think I'm done with my eyes.
Oh.
Or should I put more?
I just like traced my eyeliner and now I'm like using some mascara.
Okay.
Like some-
Oh, should I put? I have lashes, but should I use them?
Oh my god,
I
you
don't
should.
use how to do it.
Do you need help?
Yes.
Okay. It's literally there. Okay, good.
But I mean, is there a difference?
Yeah, just like more darker, like gives like more like intensity to your look. You don't feel that there is
Yeah.
something?
I don't
Really?
like it. I'm not gonna use it.
Alright. Now I shall put more eyeshadow. But this
Me too.
time like
I
around
just-
my nose, like bridge here.
Oh, okay. I'm putting like red shade in the crease as well.
Ooh,
I love that one.
Like more like a bony kind of look.
Okay, now I should put like the veins. I've been pushing it, like the vein drawing something. It's not makeup, it's like drawing, right? So
yeah,
it's like artistic on your face, literally.
Give it like more highlight. I love eyelashes. Amazing.
Yeah, oh my god. That changed everything.
Yeah,
wow.
I'm obsessed with lashes now.
I just don't know what I did.
What? Show me, look at there you go. Here, so I'm just basically gonna start from like my upper cheekbone until like down my like mouth. So reach your mouth. So it's gonna be like an outline. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's there.
Oh,
so
yeah,
I
yeah,
rather use this before like the black. Okay. So okay, don't like I know I look crazy, but I'm actually gonna like start like putting like some contour and like shade this until like actually looks like something here. To smoke it, smudge it a bit more.
What else? What else am I gonna do? Just play with my lip, you know?
So I'm using this contour powder from Etude House. So I try to go like for the darkest shade.
Okay, I will use the Juicy Lasting Tint from Rum and Korean brand. It's my first time using it actually. I love the name.
Rum.
Sangria.
Yeah. Yummy.
Yummy. Let's try. Let's taste it. Oh my god.
Okay, you guys, I think I put like so much here. I think I'm just gonna remove this part here. Shouldn't go this like far because somehow it made me like look really weird. Really.
I am a dark shade person, so I would like to put some white to my hands and then show my nails too.
Okay, I'm gonna continue with the teeth. Well, look at me, I'm the clown here.
Okay, we will do our hairs too. We got this professional shiny hard hair wax.
Yeah, we want to have like the slick
Hairs.
look. I've always did that like in real life, so I think it's gonna like suit like the vampire and the skull. That's taking a lot of product. But now that I look at it, it actually looks pretty nice.
Let me see. Oh
I
my
look
god,
like-
it suits you so well.
See, I told you I look like a skull. Okay, oh my god.
Are we done?
What are we thinking? You look beautiful. You look like a beautiful
Scary.
vampire. Thank
Scary
you.
vampire.
Oh my god, I love it. I think I will like actually do it again if I
Me
like
too.
ever have like a if I like decide like to actually party this year. And yeah, I think it's really fun and you can look sexy and scary at the same time.
From the beginning of this video, from the beginning of it, when I started the eyeshadow especially,
Yeah.
I was like already starting feeling this like from my guts.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying this. I
Yeah.
love it. And then
Me too.
creating, and now I feel like I'm gonna be doing it like several videos for myself too, like, you know, like TikTok videos or Instagram, stuff like that. I love it. And then lens especially, I feel much better now. Like
Yeah.
I got used to it.
You have to get used to it, that's the thing.
Yeah. It's just
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it more. I love it.
Me too.
Lady. Skull lady. Vampire.
I really love it. I'm like really excited that we actually did this one.
It took a lot of time, preparation,
Yeah.
excitement,
Yeah.
nervousness. whatever,
First.
everything, but we did it.
Yeah, we're here.
What do you guys think?
Spooky.
Spooky season on. Lots of comments also, and share your Halloween makeup,
What type
costumes.
of costume or
Yeah,
what
do
type
you
of makeup?
like?
Yeah, to
And-
do this year if you guys are like partying. I
Yes.
hope so, because yeah, let's go and be freaky.
Freaky, spooky, whatever, scary, everything.
Yeah. So
Okay.
until the next video, hope
See
to
you.
see you well,
See
and
you.
bye.